In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could check your PS5 wallet balance. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're trying to buy a game, download add-ons, or purchase really any in-game currency, like V-Bucks for example, you might want to check how much money is in your PlayStation wallet first. And to do this, go ahead and install on the home screen and go over to the PlayStation Store just like so and select it to open it up. Once you're inside, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs across the top like collections, deals, subscriptions, and more. Essentially, go ahead and scroll all the way to the right on this menu and you're looking for three dots just like so. Go ahead and select those and you're going to see as soon as you select this, your wallet balance up at the very top. It's going to be right next to your profile name, and then of course it's going to say like your current wallet balance. Go ahead and see that, and that's going to tell you exactly how much money you have available to spend. From the same section, you could also redeem codes like PlayStation gift cards or go to payment methods and add funds to your wallet. But that is it. That is how you could check your PS5 wallet balance. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.